A lot of people ask me why I like this bike, and there's a simple reason. It's the best bike in the world.
If you ever dreamed of owning a machine that blends pure rebellion with flawless craftsmanship, the 2026 Honda Fury Chopper is that dream come true. It's not just a motorcycle, it's an attitude on two wheels. From the moment you see it, the Fury commands attention like no other. This is Honda's boldest statement yet, a mix of artistic design, engineering precision, and raw performance that turns every ride into a show of freedom and power. A design that defines freedom. The 2026 Honda Fury is not for those who blend in. Its long, low-slung chopper stance, stretched front fork, and razor-sharp silhouette give it that classic outlaw look, but with a modern Honda twist. The sculpted fuel tank flows into the wide rear fender with a seamless line, creating a look that screams custom-built perfection. Every inch of the Fury feels handcrafted, from its chrome-finished components to the aggressive rake angle that gives it a rebellious, stretched-out stance. Honda has managed to create a factory-built chopper that feels like a one-of-one custom piece straight from a designer's imagination. Built around a beast, the 1,312 cubic centimeters V-twin. At the heart of the Fury beats a soul-stirring 1,312 cubic centimeters liquid-cooled V-twin engine. This powerplant isn't just about numbers, it's about the feel. The torque is massive and immediate, delivering deep, rumbling power every time you twist the throttle. It's the kind of engine that vibrates with confidence but runs smoother than you'd expect from such raw muscle. Honda's fuel injection system keeps it responsive and consistent, even under tough riding conditions. Whether cruising on long highways or ripping through the city streets, the Fury delivers a performance that's equally thrilling and refined. Ride quality that surprises. Don't let the chopper look fool you, the 2026 Honda Fury is surprisingly comfortable. Honda engineered this bike for real-world rides, not just for show. The frame geometry offers stability at high speeds and agility in tight spaces. The front suspension features a long-travel telescopic fork that absorbs bumps with ease, while the rear single shock ensures a balanced ride without compromising that classic low stance. The low seat height adds confidence for all riders, making the Fury accessible yet dominant on the road. Sound of power and personality. Few bikes sound as bold and satisfying as the Fury. Its V-twin growl isn't just noise, it's music to the ears of true riders. The exhaust system produces a deep, throaty note that perfectly complements the chopper's attitude. It's the kind of sound that turns heads and announces your arrival long before you roll in. Honda tuned the exhaust to keep it powerful but street legal, giving you the perfect mix of rebellion and responsibility. Attention to detail like no other. Honda has poured an incredible amount of craftsmanship into every detail of the Fury. The chrome elements shine with mirror-like brilliance, while the frame and body panels are finished in premium metallic colors that change tone under sunlight. Even the smallest details, like the minimalist speedometer or the artful placement of the ignition switch, add to the bike's custom-built vibe. The new LED lighting gives the Fury a modern edge, bright, efficient, and seamlessly integrated into its timeless design. Technology hidden beneath the style. Underneath its old-school looks, the 2026 Honda Fury is packed with smart technology. The advanced electronic fuel injection ensures optimal performance and fuel efficiency. The digital ignition system keeps throttle response crisp and consistent. ABS is available as standard, offering reliable braking performance even in sudden stops or wet conditions. Honda's attention to safety and reliability makes the Fury not just a beauty but a practical machine for everyday use. Comfort meets cool, the rider experience. The 2026 Fury's riding position is pure cruiser perfection, relaxed arms, stretched legs, and a commanding view ahead. The ergonomics are designed to keep you comfortable on long rides without losing that aggressive chopper posture. The seat padding and handlebar positioning have been optimized for extended journeys. Even during hours on the road, the Fury remains a pleasure to ride, balancing style with genuine comfort. A color palette of bold statements. Honda didn't hold back on style choices. The 2026 Fury is offered in a range of striking colors, from deep metallic blues and fiery reds to stealthy matte blacks. Each paint scheme brings out a different personality of the bike. The chrome detailing contrasts beautifully with the darker shades, while the lighter colors highlight the chopper's curves and edges. Whether you prefer the mysterious midnight look or the loud and proud finish, the Fury makes sure your personality shines through. Customization ready. True to chopper tradition, the 2026 Honda Fury is built for those who like to make their bikes their own. Honda designed it with customization in mind. You can easily add accessories like custom seats, handlebars, mirrors, and exhausts. The Fury's clean, open frame allows riders to tweak its appearance to reflect their individual style. It's a blank canvas for creativity, giving you the freedom to personalize it into your ultimate dream machine. Performance that matches the look. The Fury isn't just a piece of rolling art, it performs as fiercely as it looks. The 5-speed transmission shifts smoothly, allowing you to harness every bit of that V-twin torque. The wide rear tire ensures stability and grip, while the front disc brake delivers precise stopping power. On highways, the Fury glides effortlessly, and in the city, it maneuvers with surprising agility. It's a balance of show and go, proof that Honda has mastered both aesthetics and engineering. For the rebels at heart. The 2026 Honda Fury isn't a bike for everyone, and that's exactly the point. It's for the dreamers, the misfits, the riders who don't follow the crowd. It's for those who crave individuality and don't compromise on presence or performance. Every ride on the Fury feels like a statement, a declaration of freedom and self-expression. Legacy of the Fury lives on. The Fury first turned heads when Honda dared to bring a factory-built chopper to the mainstream. Over the years, it built a loyal fan base who admired its rebellious soul. Now, with the 2026 model, Honda has refined everything while keeping that spirit alive. It's smoother, faster, and more stylish than ever, yet unmistakably a Fury. It's proof that even in a world of modern machines, true soul never goes out of style. Final thoughts. Riding the 2026 Honda Fury chopper is more than transportation, it's transformation. It reminds you what it means to be truly free, to break from the ordinary and chase the horizon with nothing holding you back. Every twist of the throttle is a reminder that this machine is built for passion, not just performance. If you believe motorcycles should be more than machines, that they should be art, emotion, and identity, then the 2026 Honda Fury is calling your name.